Barring any unforeseen cataclysmic event in the next 2 weeks, only an act of God can put a halt to the parliamentary polls for the provinces under the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or BARM, next month. To ensure the preparations are adequate and on the right track, the COMELEC held a command conference in police main headquarters in Camp Crame this morning. RR Tobise has more details in this report.
The Commission on Elections held a command conference for the Bangsamoro parliamentary elections and the barangay and SK elections. According to COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia, the country's security forces are ready. No threats are also being monitored ahead of the upcoming filing of certificates of candidacy. According to Pro-BAR Regional Director Jason De Guzman, only Tawi-Tawi is under the red category. Around 9,000 police personnel will be deployed by the Philippine National Police for the parliamentary elections. The deployed police forces will come from various regions in Mindanao. The Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Coast Guard will also assist in ensuring security. An estimated 3 billion pesos has been allocated for the elections, with an additional 500 million pesos from the Bangsamoro Parliament.
Well, so far we consider all threat groups, no? Especially yung LTGs. Like what happened doon sa nagkaroon ng encounter yung ating AFP units in Lanao del Sur, wherein may mga na-accomplish sila ng mga DI multi-group, no? And right now, yung ating DI Hasan naman dito sa Maguindanao are being addressed ng ating AFP units right now. May mga encounter sila the other day. So continuous yun na ongoing focus military operation nila.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court of the Philippines has yet to issue any directive regarding the redistricting of parliamentary districts in BARM. Thus, the filing of candidacies from May 5 to 7 is expected to proceed smoothly. The COMELEC also said that petitions against the accreditation of some political parties will undergo due process. This includes issues involving the Moro Islamic Liberation Front.
Hindi po porket mayroong opposition ay hindi na accredited ang isang partido. Yan po ay mag-a-undergo ng tinatawag na the usual due process. Sa kasalukuyan, nag-require po kami nag-issue po kami ng order upang humingi ng answer o komento.
Meanwhile, the COMELEC will also increase the honoraria of election workers by 1,000 pesos. It can be recalled that the Commission previously granted an additional 2,000 pesos during the last election. RR Tobise from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.